It's a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. Versatile, smart, and full of surprises, this Grand Caravan is the perfect get-it-done machine for any family. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, Uconnect with Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive writes, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Can a vehicle be daring yet sensible? Yes, it's a Dodge. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.